everyone, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Hope that you all are doing well. For today's video, I have my updated top 5 deep conditioners for relaxed hair. As you guys can see, I am currently rocking a protective style. Unfortunately, I did not film this for you guys because it was my first time doing braids this way, which was like the knotless braid method. I usually do the rubber band method, but I wanted to try something different, and I really just could not finagle my camera well enough for you guys to see anyway. So I unfortunately didn't film this style, but I promise you the next style that I film, I will film for you guys. But yeah, this one, it came out really, really well. I just could not figure out how to get my head in the camera while also having my braids turn out well. These are like a week old at this point, but they still look really good. I'm probably going to keep them in for another 2 weeks and then do another style that I am going to film for you guys, which I'm really excited about. But yeah, for today's video, like I said, I have my top 5 favorite deep conditioners, some new, some oldie but goodies. So if you guys are interested in seeing my favorite deep conditioners, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alrighty, so I'm not going to go in particular order or anything like that, like my favorite to least favorite. These are just my top 5. I switch them out periodically. They all work super duper well. But this first one is new to my collection, and when I tell you guys, this is bomb. This is so bomb. So this is the Miel Mongongo Oil Hydrating Conditioner, and what I love about this deep conditioner is that it's protein free. So you don't have to worry about over proteining, giving your hair too much protein. I don't know why I had so much trouble saying that. But with me, if I have too much protein on my hair, it gets very stiff, it gets very unmanageable, and it's not really a good thing. And a lot of deep conditioners do contain protein because you do want to have a good amount of protein in your hair so that it can grow and is healthy and everything like that. But this one is protein free. It is just strictly a hydrating deep conditioner. And when I tell you this is hydrating, it is hydrating. So when I use this deep conditioner, I wash and condition my hair with my Care color treated shampoo conditioner combo, whatever, and I make sure that the conditioner is fully washed out, but I don't towel dry my hair after the conditioner. So my hair is still sopping wet when I put this in, and when I tell you this sinks into my hair and makes it like butter, it is butter, you guys. I could put my hair on some toast and call it butter. That's how smooth and soft and hydrated it is. It has a really nice consistency to it. It's not super thick, but it's not runny at all. It's almost like a pudding consistency, I would say. You guys can see, it's just a little thick. It coats the strands really nicely. It has a really nice faint scent to it. A little fruity, a little floral, but it is just my favorite deep conditioner as of late. Like I said, my hair in the winter and fall time is really, really dry, but that can sometimes carry over into summer because I do sometimes have my hair out a lot, wearing it curly, but your girl is doing protective styles all summer, so she doesn't have to worry about that. But I use this before I put my hair in this protective style, and I just know my hair is locked, loaded, moisturized, hydrated, everything that I need it to be. I cannot say enough good things about this conditioner. It is so good, and I don't think I can ever live without this. It is so good. I love it so much. Moving on to another kind of new deep conditioner. This is the Design Essentials Natural Hair Almond and Avocado Wash Day Deep Moisture Mask. This, I believe, does have protein in it. I don't see anything popping out at me, but I do believe that it does have some type of protein. Not sure what, but this is also very, very moisturizing. Not as moisturizing as my Miel over here, but she's still really good. So this one smells really, really good. It smells very fruity, very like summertime, like, you know, if you want to like go out with your deep conditioner on, like everybody's going to be walking by you like, ooh, she smells fine, you know? So I love this one, just for like an everyday wash day. Well, not every day, like, and whenever like I know like I need something that's just gonna work for me, and it's not like as hydrating as this, but if my hair is just doing like, you know, okay, regular, you know, and I just need to pop a deep conditioner in on a wash day, this is really, really great. It smells good, it moisturizes, and I feel like it strengthens my strand, because I believe, let me see. Yeah, it does say it reduces breakage, and I do find that this helps my hair detangle really, really easily. I do detangle my hair before I get in the shower, just because my hair is like completely unmanageable if I just detangle in the shower personally. But this makes detangling in the shower really, really easy, and it's like my hair just glides through it. My hair doesn't feel as hydrated, like I said, as when I use the Mielle one, but it's still like really, really good. If my hair isn't lacking moisture or hydration, I go in with this one, but if I feel like my hair is super dry, brittle, then I'll use the Mielle one. But if my hair is just having a good regular week, I will reach for this one, and this one has never let me down. This one also has a really nice consistency. It's like, it's thick, like it's not gonna fall out or anything. It's pretty similar to the consistency of the Mielle one. Like I said, I really like this scent as well, and it works really well, and I can't complain. It's really, really good, hydrating, really easy to detangle, and I love it, truly. Next up is something that I feel like has truly changed my hair game. This is what my hairstylist uses on my hair after I get a relaxer, or if I go in for a wash and set. This is the silicone mix. This is straight off the boat from DR. I actually ordered mine on Amazon, and it was like packaged like so tightly, like it was on a boat, like it came struggling over here, you know? So I love this stuff, you guys. I don't use this every wash day, because this is literally pretty much a protein treatment in a container, but this will make your hair so silky, so smooth. Let me tell you, girl, like if you want to do a silk press, use this deep conditioner, because I'm telling you, your hair is going to be strong, it's going to be shiny, it's going to be flowy. Like they're going to think that you got on a wig when you put this deep conditioner in your hair. My favorite thing about this deep conditioner is the smell, because it just smells like the beauty salon, and it just smells like, I don't know, it just is like a really nice memory. Like it just smells like a Dominican salon, if I'm being truly honest with you, and I just love the scent of it. It's pretty like chemically, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not like floral and fruity and cute, but it just makes me feel like my hair is washed, my hair is conditioned. Sis is ready to do the week with this deep conditioner, all right? Like I said, it's pretty much silicone, so it pretty much like coats your hair with silicone. But I'm telling you, when you use this, I use this probably like once a month. If that, sometimes I don't feel like I need the treatment. But you can even see on the back here how it like, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but it says like before and after, how it just like smooths your hair cuticle and like just makes everything so nice. And my also favorite thing about this is that you really only have to leave it on for like 2 to 3 minutes. Like that's how short of a time that you have to keep this on. I do the same thing with this that I do with the Mielle conditioner. I don't towel dry my hair before putting this in. I put this on soaking wet hair, and I let it sit for about 2 minutes, and then if I'm feeling really crazy, you guys, I put on my heating cap on top, like the one that I pop in the microwave, and I put that on top, and I let it sit for maybe like 5 minutes tops, and oh my gosh, my hair just feels so good after I put this on my hair. Like this is like my favorite conditioner ever, and this makes detangling so easy. I use a Y2 comb with this, and I swear, like my hair, if I have new growth, if I have anything, it's like and I just be swooping through my hair, all right? But next up, Y'all know, if you've been watching me for a long time, then you know that I cannot come on a video talking about deep conditioner without my Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and repair mask. Strengthen and restore mask, I'm sorry, from Shea Moisture. This deep conditioner, oh my gosh, changed my hair game. This was one of the first deep conditioners I bought when I was on my relaxed hair journey and like growing my hair, and like when I first started posting relaxed hair videos here on my channel. This was the deep conditioner that I used, and I swear I got like 3 inches from this deep conditioner. I'm telling you guys, like, it is just so good. I don't know what they put in here. I think they put like something in here that, you know, we don't know about, but like, it's that good, all right? Because this is for natural, chemically processed or heat styled hair, and I got chemically processed heat styled hair, let me tell you. So this just never fails me ever. Like, if I need my hair to look bomb and I know that like I have an event or something to do and I need my wash day to just go down like foolproof, I don't have time for games, you know, this is the deep conditioner that I use, because I just know my hair is going to get the right amount of hydration, the right amount of protein, and my hair is just going to come out looking like I just walked out of the salon. And it's just, this deep conditioner, I just cannot say enough good things about it. I love this whole line. I love the shampoo. I love the conditioner. I love the deep conditioner. I love the leave-in conditioner. I love everything. The Jamaican black castor oil line from Shea Moisture, forget about it. Like, that is my holy grail. If I need to do a wash day that I just need, you know, everything to go to plan, that's the line I use. I also love my Care shampoo and conditioner for color treated hair. Like, that's what I've been using for probably about over like 2 years now, and it is so good. But this deep conditioner always comes in clutch. She's the OG. She's the day one. We love her. We appreciate her. She is my favorite, and I will forever repurchase this deep conditioner because it never does me wrong, never will do me wrong. She's the best. If you haven't tried this and you have relaxed hair, there's a reason why we hype it up so much. I'm telling you guys, it is so good. Game changer. We love it. And now, here for my last deep conditioner. Let me tell you guys, okay, so this isn't my favorite deep conditioner, but it works good for what it is, if that makes sense. Like, if I feel like, I use this like after I do protective styles sometimes, because I feel like my hair is shedding a lot, but obviously it's not, because I've had my hair in a protective style for like 3 weeks or whatever. But this is the Main Choice Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Anti-Shedding and Intense Volume Therapy Mask, infused with biotin, vitamin A, B, C, D, and yeah, that's it. So this is not like the most moisturizing mask. It's not the most hydrating mask. It's not the most protein mask or anything. But I feel like if you just need like, if you feel like your hair is like a little more damaged and a little bit like needing some more love, maybe you heat styled it a little more, maybe you were out on vacation and you got a little bit of too much sun and your hair is feeling a little dry, I feel like this really helps with like, I don't know how to describe it, like rejuvenating your hair, like bringing it back, but it's not going to make it like better, if that makes sense. Like, it's not going to make it better than it was. It's just going to bring your hair back from like lifeless and dull, if that makes sense. Like, I really like to use this, like I said, like in the summertime when like maybe you went in the pool, maybe you went in the beach or something and your hair is just not itself. This will bring it back to its like normal, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like if my hair is like super dry, super brittle, just needs like to get it back to like normal, to like baseline, this is the mask that I use. But if my hair is having a good kind of week, you know, I don't need anything extra, I don't need extra love or anything, I won't use this mask, to be honest with you. This is like my mask where, oh no, my hair is looking crazy, let me fix her up and I use this mask, and I let this mask sit for about 20 to 25 minutes with my heating cap on, because I feel like the vitamins in here really penetrate and really make your hair just like I said, this is almost like CPR for your hair. Like, it just brings it back to life without doing anything extra. You know, like, you can't expect your hair to be like flowing in the breeze, you know, like doing everything with this mask. It's just gonna bring it back to where it was, so that you can treat it the next time maybe with like a protein or hydrating mask to make it like really like, you know, poppin'. So that is it for this video, guys. Those are my top 5 deep conditioners for relaxed hair. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. I upload relaxed hair content here on my channel all the time. Like I said, my next protective style I will upload for you guys. I promise. This one was just a little difficult for your girl, but it came out really nice. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to share this video with a friend, share it with some family, share it with your grandma, your mom, your sister, your dad, your brother, anybody. And yeah, and that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.